Hey guys, what's happening there? I'm here at the Ahuntsic train station here on the MASCOUCHE commuter train line, and here's the very popular Marché Central there, where the outlets are, you know, for high-end clothes, Nike, Under Armour, you name it. But that's not what it's about. Here to show you guys the train station here. Yeah, this opened in 2014. This I love. This is beautiful right here. Alright, let's make our way in. Alright, so here we are. This is where we are. Let's check the time. And here's your elevator. I'll film that later. Let's make our way up. Yeah, I'll film that elevator later. Make a separate video. It's so beautiful, eh? Here's the elevator. Payment system. Alright, let's make our way out. So here's your platform. That's a spare platform in case they can't use this track, they use that track. There's your wheelchair access there for people with reduced mobility. And all over there, that's the as they call it, the Shmata district in Jewish, the textile district, which is basically all textile out there, you know. It's like, it's crazy. You know, for a line that, for these stations that were built like not that long ago, 6 years ago, they're very nice how they designed them, you know. Yeah, you're looking. Why'd that bus turn there? Why'd that bus turn there? Yeah, but you're looking north on L'acadie Boulevard. And here's south. You're gonna go over there. Yeah, and if you keep going over there, you hit Ville Saint-Laurent. Yeah, and we're on the Saint Laurent subdivision here. Let's make our way down. A lot of people say that, like, these stations, they look temporary, but they're not temporary, they're permanent. We finish off here and then we'll wrap it up. Yeah, check here. Okay, so that's it, guys. The Ahuntsic train station. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos to come. And here's the Ahuntsic train station in photos. Thank you.